Welcome back to Ed's Weekend Adventures. Well, this here video is gonna be fixing my roller. I busted it last fall, and yeah, I busted the hitch right off of it. So we gotta recover it and we gotta fix it. Yeah. Hopefully we can get it in the shop, get her stick welded up. Okay, this piece got to go on to those pieces. Oh, doggy, I broke it good. Doggy, this side's pretty good. Holes over here. Oh, gotta get that in there. Shouldn't be too bad. We'll take it. Tracking now. That's more like it. Yeah, I added a few things here. These bars keep it straight. Originally this roller, it moved there, but I'm keeping it straight now. Well, I'm gonna end this video here with another successful farmer stick welding fix. Yep, you know, I don't use a roller that much, but in the spring when you need it, you need it. And now I got my roller back. Yep, here she is all fixed up. Yep. I rolled the whole yard and it worked perfect for me. So that'll conclude this video. Hey, make sure and subscribe and hit the like button if you will. It doesn't cost you anything. Make an old guy feel better. Who knows, maybe someday YouTube will give me money for these and I'll be able to buy a better roller. Oh, I don't need a better roller, I guess, huh? Hey, catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.